Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another healthcare work from home job lead. I know not everyone wants to be in the healthcare field, so if this job lead is not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I am always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am out here searching for job leads to share, because I always want the job leads that I share to be helpful for you. And as always, the links, if you do want to apply, are in the YouTube description box below. But with that being said, the company Cardinal Health is hiring a customer care specialist. Now, this is work from home in the United States only. But you will basically be responsible for answering inbound calls from customers who want to place orders or reorder their medical supplies. So you will handle high call volumes, you'll navigate multiple computer programs throughout the workday, you'll have to document these interactions and get those orders placed, you'll process orders for new and existing customers, collect any necessary information from insurance companies for the billing, and collect payment as needed. You'll also consult with supervisors and team leads on unusual problems that you encounter. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. A high school diploma or GED is required. 2 to 4 years of experience is preferred, but not required. They do want you to have some kind of a prior computer experience using Microsoft Office. Some kind of customer service experience is preferred, but not required. They do need you to have good communication and active listening skills, and someone who has good phone skills and can be focused and have great attention to detail. Now, if that sounds like you, they do offer paid training. New hire training will take place Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And they will require you after training to have flexibility to work shifts during hours of 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. However, if you do get stuck on a Saturday, Sunday, or night shift, they do pay shift differential of $1 an hour or up to $2 an hour. Now, discussing pay, the pay range is $15 an hour for this position, but again, if you get stuck nights and weekends, it's $16 to $17 an hour. They do offer standard benefit package, including medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Another thing to note, they will provide you with the computer equipment that you need. All you need to have to get started is high-speed internet. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.